Hello all, this is Jackie from Growaces Urban Garden Consulting Inc. coming to you with the first video of the 2015 growing season. I just want to share with you what we did back in November to put the garden to bed. This is what the garden looks like right now. All this straw that you see was laid down about November, which was maybe close to 5 months ago. And underneath the straw was leaves that had fell on the ground during the fall season, and we gathered a bunch of them and put them in the garden bed, and then put another layer of straw on top of that. And as you can see here, we got some greenish going on here. This is hyssop, which is an herb that was planted in the garden bed last season, and it decided it wanted to come back. And because we covered up the bed with leaves and straw, the plant was protected, and now that it's getting warmer, it's deciding that it wants to come up now. And it looks great, actually. I'm so excited. So yeah, that was a great move as far as protecting the garden bed over the winter months. And then also, as you can see, that's really inky black soil, and that's a clear sign that there are a lot of nutrients going on. There are ecosystems being developed in that spot, and actually probably throughout the whole bed. And that's a sign that the leaves had decomposed properly. There's a lot of nitrogen in the garden bed now because the leaves decomposed and were covered by the straw over the winter months. So that's great. So now we're just gonna remove all the straw, and then probably in about a week or two, I just want to make sure that there'll be more consistent temperatures above 32 overnight and throughout the day. And if so, and which it will be, we will start planting very soon, planting our cold crops, our cool weather crops such as spinach, and greens such as chard and collards and turnips and things of that nature. So we'll be ready to start the new growing season very soon. And look, coming soon, we will have a new location for the Growaces garden. And when we find that out and when we get that started, we'll be videoing and taking pictures of that, so you can see the progress at a new location of Growaces. So I just wanted to thank you all for your support over the winter months and what is soon to come. And thank you for a great season last year as well. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.